our attention now to the big political fight that has broken out. Remember, amid the criticism over Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his late mother's AI-generated video that was shared by the Congress party, the Delhi police has now registered a case against the Congress party. In fact, this video was uploaded on social media. Remember, this political fight is playing out ahead of the elections in Bihar. It was an AI-generated video of the Prime Minister and his late mother. Now, an FIR has been registered in this regard, and it names the Congress party as well as the Congress IT cell as the main accused in the case. This case was registered under multiple sections of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 after a complaint was lodged by the BJP election cell convener Sanket Gupta. My colleague Niyamika is joining us on the broadcast with the details. And Niyamika, previously it was abuses against the Prime Minister's mother made from the Congress stage. Back then the Congress party had distanced itself, saying it was a mere karyakarta. They claimed that he was not even associated with the party. But this particular video that we're talking about is one that was officially put out by the social media handle of the Congress party. It shows the Prime Minister and the Prime Minister's mother. The Congress party has only brazened it out. But now, is there going to be trouble, and is there any change in the Congress party stance now that an FIR has been registered?
Well, yes, it seems like this trouble is mounting for the Congress party, because now a legal battle is also going to begin, as now an FIR has been registered against the Congress party regarding this sharing of an AI-made video of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's mother. However, in the past, we have seen that when this question was being asked to the Congress party, and specifically from the Bihar Congress social media department chief, he has completely refused to apologize over this entire matter. But clearly, we have seen that how the BJP is also attacking the Congress party, saying that this shows the mentality of the Congress, how they are anti-women, having anti-women mindset, and that is the only reason why they have been continuously attacking and insulting the mother of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now an FIR has already been registered against the Congress party regarding this entire issue, so it will be really interesting to see that whether the Congress party is going to take it down, this video is going to be removed from the social media, whether they are going to apologize over this entire matter, because the Congress party has been continuously justifying their stand. They are saying that there is nothing wrong with this video which has been shared by the Bihar Congress state unit as well, but clearly it has given an opportunity to the BJP to rake up this entire matter, and it is also going to create some trouble for the Congress party just ahead of the assembly elections in the state of Bihar, because this is something which is related to the sentiments of the people as well. The manner in which BJP had earlier also done a Bihar Bandh as a mark of protest against the statement which was being given by the Congress party in the past, and now once again this video has been shared, so clearly it seems like the BJP is going to rake it up just ahead of the assembly elections as well.
Okay, in fact, the Prime Minister, when he spoke about the video as well, Niyamika, had appealed to the women of Bihar, saying that women in particular would be feeling disheartened by looking at this video of the Congress party that has been released by the Congress party. So it will be interesting to see what they say. Thank you for joining us with those details. The BJP has in fact hit out at the Congress party, saying that this is not just about the Prime Minister's mother or targeting the Prime Minister, but this is the anti-women mindset of the Congress.
कांग्रेस महिला विरोधी, नारी विरोधी, मातृ शक्ति विरोधी है, इसका प्रमाण एक नहीं अनेकों बार मिला है। पहले कांग्रेस के अधिकृत मंच से मोदी जी की माता जी को भद्दी गाली दी गई, उसको डिनाई किया गया, जस्टिफाई किया गया, गाली देने वाले को बचाने का काम किया गया, और फिर कांग्रेस के अधिकृत ऑफिशियल ट्विटर हैंडल से ही एक डीप फेक और बहुत ही आपत्तिजनक वीडियो मोदी जी की माता जी का शेयर किया गया। ये सबसे निम्न स्तर की राजनीति है। इसका खंडन करने के बदले, माफी मांगने के बदले कांग्रेस तो डबल डाउन करने लगी। कांग्रेस पार्टी बिहार विरोधी, मातृशक्ति विरोधी, नारी विरोधी है। अब इसके खिलाफ शिकायत दर्ज की गई है और कांग्रेस के अधिकृत हैंडल्स पर भी कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए।
All right, with that, let's shift our attention now to a story